Welcome to my channel Global Car, everyone. If you love staying updated with the latest cars, smart features, and future-ready designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Hyundai Custin, a modern SUV-inspired vehicle designed for families, professionals, and anyone who values comfort with a premium touch. Hyundai has focused on combining bold styling with everyday practicality, making the Custin a strong option in its segment. From the outside, the 2026 Custin looks confident and refined. The wide front grille, sharp LED lighting, and smooth body lines give it a futuristic road presence. It feels solid and stylish, perfect for both city driving and long highway journeys. The elevated stance adds to its SUV character, offering better road visibility and a confident driving feel. Inside, the Custin is all about comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials and a clean, modern layout. A large infotainment screen, digital driver display, and smart connectivity features keep the experience smooth and user-friendly. There's plenty of legroom and storage, making it ideal for families and long trips. When it comes to performance, Hyundai focuses on efficiency and smooth driving. The engine options are designed to deliver balanced power with good fuel economy, while advanced safety features help ensure peace of mind on every drive. From driver assistance systems to enhanced braking and stability control, safety is clearly a priority. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Custin offers a great mix of style, comfort, and modern features. It's designed for people who want practicality without giving up a premium feel. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting car updates. See you in the next one.